Alright, so I got here, I don't know if this is a good price. It's kind of not a good price unless unless you like brand name stuff and you want to show off your brand name stuff to your friends. Oh, got a Bernzomatic, I'm better than you. Well, these are normally 26. They're on clearance for 15 at some stores. I only seen this at one store near me. So is 15 a good price? No, this is a torch that comes with the solder iron attachment. It doesn't come with any fuel. So, is this a good price? Is the question for 15. Well, Harbor Freight outright sells one for 15. And you could probably use a 25% off coupon. But the thing is this is just a torch. This at Harbor Freight. Just a torch. Without the solder iron. Now, I don't know where I got this from. It looks like a Harbor Freight product. And this has this exact end on there. That's the exact same thing. This thing is slow to light up. I don't know where I got this. I know this is its own sparker. I have another one sort of like this, but not with the attachment, and it doesn't have a sparker. I don't remember where I got this. I don't know if it was Walmart or what, but I don't see it at Walmart. I don't see it at Harbor Freight. So anyway, is this a good deal? I don't know, but where can you get this? I mean, I looked at Amazon. I think Amazon, just for the pencil pen, I see like 16. To get that attachment with a couple of things to maybe unscrew that tip. Is that tip permanent on there? That would kind of suck. Oh, that's not permanent. Alright, so that tip unscrews off. Well, that doesn't look like a normal size tip. I like how sharp it is. It'd be nice if you can get extras. Does this tip come off? This tip does come off. It's a lot smaller. Huh. It's smaller, right? Damn it. Yeah, definitely smaller. I mean, the pen takes forever to heat up. It's very annoying. So, this is most likely empty. Oh, continuous. Look at that. This has all these weird features. How do you do this? Turn it all the way up. What does this thing do? Oh. It's like a lefty or something. Alright. So let's get some fuel in here. Be sure to make the fires off before refueling. Wait 3 minutes before use. Gas refilling valve. So do we want gas or do we want liquid in there? Isn't that lovely? that that thing is fitting. Alright, so I'm saying they're trying to put fluid in there, but it's totally full. Watch. Yeah. It's totally full. Pretty sure that's what's going on, because I go and fill this one. And we got no issues. And the other thing with this is there's a safety. You pull that down. Pull it down. Alright. So we got to get this on here. Now, let's see how long it takes to melt solder. How long it takes to get up to speed. Oh, remember, this one got continuous. Alright, so this one doesn't have continuous. I didn't think it did. Oh wow, that's pretty quick. So, let's see what happens. First we're going to get the wire up to heat. And I didn't use any flux. If I used flux, the wire, the solder would have seeped right into the wire. I purposely didn't use flux. I mean, this has flux in the thing, but I purposely didn't do that because it just shows how much hotter the wire has to get. Huh. So, that was a lot quicker than the pen. The pen actually takes minutes to heat up. Seemingly minutes. So, I don't know. To me, getting it to heat up that quick, that's worth the $15 right there. Or I could just take this tip off and put it on this torch. I could do that, but I don't know how much. I probably paid $15 for this. I guess if you could find these cheap, but still you're going to pay, what's 15 divided by 4? $3 off, 10. So you're still going to end up paying the same price for this because of taxes and shipping and whatever's. Okay, not shipping, but whatever. So, I don't know. I think $15 is a good price for this. I might get another one. Or just transfer this tip over to that one. Oh, man. Mank? Oh, Mank. Alright, so... Oh, you want to check your Walmart. Here's the UPC. I'll probably put a picture of it on. Okay, I could just bring it up here. Bernzomatic, brah. Brick Seeker. There it is. Of course, their MSRP is always wrong. Alrighty then. There's another feature you could do. Show the peeps the barcode. That way they can scan it with their phone. With their Walmart app. Generally when you scan up a phone you gotta turn up the brightness. Alright. There you are. Banana. I got my orange drink. Orange drink. Now this thing supposedly turns off the air. Oh, that's doing. Is that just spraying butane? Or that's blowing air on it? I don't know. Whatever's. I'm done. I didn't go through the thing here because this is stuck. I can't get it. I can't get this to pull out. Normally you just... These are glued. These stupid Harbor Freight things, they always just pull right off. But this portion, this one I've already fixed. This piece, I already fixed this one. This piece and these Harbor Freights, you can see the round area there. You could pull this metal out and then stick the wire through and resolder it to the back. But this one, I just couldn't get off. So screw it. Same difference. I should just put a wire tie on there to hold that where it is so I stop breaking it off. Yeah, I know. Why is it got to be blue? Why do you hate girls? Why do you hate girls? Well, I did plan to go get a pink wire tie for you sweeties out there. And, yeah, I couldn't find it, so it's got to be blue. There you go. And done. Perma done, bruh. Garbage. What about the bird? Here, smell this. What's the matter? Smell it. It's onions.
I don't like onions.
Yeah, scallions.
No, onions cold.
You what? What is that? What in the world does that mean? That means more onion?
Ooh, that's a bad word. Did you hear it? That was a bad word.
No, I love it.
What did you say?
It doesn't matter what you do.
No, why not?